Hello everyone, my name is Darren Tilson, and today I'm going to be talking about the book Buyology, The Truth of Lies and Why We Buy. The book Buyology separates the lies and truth about why we buy, revealing how advertisers and marketers truly capture our attention, our dollars, and our loyalty. In 2004, Martin Lindstrom conducted a 3-year neurological study to understand consumers' minds. It took $7 million, and the study used the latest brain scan technology to look into the minds of over 2,000 consumers worldwide. After doing the research, Lindstrom proposed a few questions. Some of these questions are: does traditional marketing research work? Does subliminal advertising really influence our behavior? What does religion and ritual have in common with successful brands, and does sex really sell? Lindstrom goes on to argue the fact that traditional research methods are of the past. These methods are misleading and can no longer truly be followed to understand what consumers want. The brain's response to advertising is key when it comes to marketing. With advertising, only a small part of the brain actually is thinking rationally when a consumer chooses a product. This means that sometimes advertising will cause you to do things that you don't necessarily want. Lindstrom goes on to use a research method, which is a machine, an fMRI, which is a functional magnetic resonance imaging scanner. The machine is over $4 million, and it's the most advanced brain scanning technology available today. Lindstrom went on to conduct a study with 32 smokers. What the study proposed was that the Surgeon General's warning would deter smokers from smoking. In actuality, after conducting the study, Lindstrom came to find that in actuality, not only did the Surgeon General warning not deter people from smoking, it actually made them want to smoke. Furthermore, Lindstrom goes on to talk about subliminal messaging. Subliminal messaging was banned in 1957. Since it was banned, the question posed today is, does it still exist? Lindstrom goes on to talk about how subliminal messaging does still exist, and in short, it still goes on with what's called subliminal advertising. Subliminal advertising is basically a toned down, watered down definition of subliminal messaging. In this picture right here is a Sunny D commercial. It's a Sunny D ad, and it's saying, just looking at the ad, it makes you want to drink it. Companies know this, and they use it as a selling concept, basically saying that they want to target consumers with products that they're just going to tell them this is what you want to buy without actually looking into the market to see if they want it. Moving forward, Lindstrom goes on to talk about religion and brands. He compares the Vatican, St. Peter's of Rome, and the Temple of the Golden Buddha in Bangkok to hotels with nice looking things inside. He goes to the comparison of grandeur, basically saying that people like to see nice things, and it's going to make them want to go there. He goes on to talk about how brand names can make a consumer want that product. Right here I have depicted the Nike Swish sign. He's saying that the Nike Swish sign can go along just like the golden arches. They make people want to buy the food, or they make people want to buy the product. Just like a religious symbol as a cross, people want to go to church when they wear a cross, or when they see a dove, they automatically think of a Catholic church. Moving on, the next question poses, does sex actually sell? Sexual suggestive material actually blinds consumers. When they see these commercials of a girl depicted here, a model, they actually pay more attention to the female or the male rather than the actual product. So in actuality, he believes that sex hinders advertisement, and this actually 9% of the men actually who view ads remember what the ad was, what was going on with the ad, and they paid more attention to the sexual content. In conclusion, the book Buyology is a neuromarketing way. Newfound knowledge was found. Neuromarketing can now change the way that advertisers market, and they can find what consumers want. Thank you for your time.